And if you're planning to come to Kerala, take the best route, that is guys, everything is loaded into the car, and as you can see, it's fully loaded. I don't know how these many things came up. I have no idea how. Like, there is only one bag for me, one bag for my mom and dad, and other is for grandmas, and we all are going together. So we are going in car. That means everything is packed and everything is set it up. So guys, right now everything is loaded. So we'll have a lunch, we'll have a good sleep, and then we'll be moving. So guys, we are all set and leaving. So it's gonna be super fun today. As you know by seeing the title, we are heading to from Chennai to Kerala, God's own country, and it's going to be an exciting ride. Guys, just finished up with the 200 kilometers and we are heading to Madurai, and we are left with more 300 kilometers more. So the journey is going very good, super fun. Everybody is so excited and having fun. And the road is so good, and I look so bad in the right now. Only me and my grandma is awake, others are sleeping. So you can see my grandma there, others are sleeping, and it's going a fun ride, maintaining a good speed around 120, 130, 120 around, and driving safe. So it's going good, and the road is superb road. Right now the time is 7 o'clock, and it's going great, and the temperature is 24 degrees. So the climate is good, and before the sun comes out, and it's literally going to be, so I think going to be hot. So before that I need to reach Madurai. So guys, I took a 2 minutes break. It's somewhere near Tirchi, and there are like 200 kilometers more left. So there was actually a nature calling, so that's why we took a break. And beauty, the road is so beautiful. The cars are going everywhere. It's amazing journey right now, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. Guys are having orange while driving, and others guys are doing gupshup. And you know, the one thing, when we drive, mostly the driver doesn't get anything. See who is peeping out? The back seat people and others get everything. Took my official first break after a 400 around 450 kilometers of ride, and it was an amazing ride. First 200 kilometers was very good, and the road was so good. After that it was started raining for the next 100 kilometers, and then yeah, all good. And this is the first break that I took for my breakfast. Others had in the car only. So right now I am having my coffee, and I stopped here somewhere in between the highway, and the coffee is too good. And it's going good. The ride is good. Awesome. So today's special breakfast for the road is idli and some chutney, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay. So I am having my breakfast. It's idli and dosa. It's idli and chutney, and others had in the car. And now it's my time. So I'll have my breakfast and then meet. The breakfast is done and it was good. Now I am energetic and I'm feeling so great. Now I can ride more. So next 250 to 300 kilometers left from here. So it's gonna be, I think, now as sunlight has came, so it is like it's gonna be hot so much, and we all have rested and quiet. Guys, we have stopped for next break. That is our lunch time. Right now the time is 1 o'clock, and we thought of taking a break because everybody is hungry and need food. So we stopped by a highway nearby, and everybody is inside the car and taking out the lunch. So yeah, I'll show you what we brought. Because you know what time is going on, so we cannot go into any restaurant or something, so we bought it from our house only. So yeah, I'll show you what it is. The food is like something special with all desi style. So guys, we took a 2 minutes break to fill petrol and to use the washroom. So everything is going good, and the climate is best for us right now. It's in best condition. It's not raining or neither it's too hot. Everything is best, and right now the time is 2 o'clock, and yeah, it's going good. And if you're planning to come to Kerala, take the best route, that is Chennai, Tirchi, Madurai and Chengalpattu and other. From there to Kerala till Chengalpattu, the routes are very good. Only you will enter after, I think after Madurai, you will enter into the city, so there will be little traffic. Otherwise it is good and it is very smooth ride. So till now I have covered around 550 kilometers, and till 150 more is left.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move.
As soon as the S ride is finished, Tenmala S ride is finished, we have a check post where the two policemen standing there ask us to stop the vehicle, and they only asking for e-pass, that is the Jagrata portal, nothing else. They only check that from where we are coming and where to. So that's all. From there, no more checkings or nothing like the checkings that used to be there. So I'm finally at Kerala, and the last 200 kilometer ride was very bad. The roads were very bad, and it took around 4 to 5 hours to complete that 200 kilometers because of that road, and everything was good. It was superb, and we have finally reached Kerala. So it's okay. So everything is good, and roads were awesome. After that porthole areas, the roads were awesome, and I'm straight now heading to my house. So I'm too much tired, and not tired. It was a comfortable trip, and not that much tired. But yeah, it was superb trip. But need to take rest from yesterday. I didn't sleep, so it was a good ride, and now also energetic. I can drive more. So yeah, there was nothing much to record because it was just travel, and only there was driving and driving. That's all. So and it started raining in between, so there was nothing like recording. I was concentrating in my driving and safe driving, and we reached here safely. Yeah, everybody is good. And good morning, guys. This is the next day, and yesterday I just had my dinner, and I was out, literally out. So because I was tired so much, so I was, as soon as I got my bed, I was out. And after 10 hours of sleep, good sleep, I woke up and it's full energetic mode. And yeah, I had my breakfast and everything. So about yesterday's ride, it was so comfortable that I don't know, like 12 hours of ride. It was a 12 hours of ride, and directly came to my house, and it was good. So it was dot 700 kilometers from Chennai to Kerala, and if you're traveling, just follow this route. It's absolutely good road, and everything is good from Chennai, then Madurai, then Tenkashi, Shangota, and Kerala. Okay, so if you are coming from there, Chennai to Kerala, then follow this route. It's a very good route, and near the checkpost, nothing was checked that much. Only they needed the e-pass, which will be getting from that Jagadra portal. So that's from that simple steps, and nothing was checked, and here everything is back to normal. I don't know what is going on here. Colleges are open. I can see a lot of people in the road, but yeah, mask is very important here, otherwise there will be fine. So and everything is good. So we are right now in home quarantine for 7 days. Yeah, so that's it for guys. I'll be continuing the next vlog from here only. So signing off. Adigos amigos, bye.